welcome back. So I finally got caught up on all the customers' work, and now I can get started on my street glide, and pretty excited because it's, well, you see it. But those of y'all been watching, y'all remember when I first got it, and it was even worse. You know, I've done all the upgrades to it just off camera, just over time. As I get paid, I'll buy some more parts and put them on. And so I've done the 21-inch front wheel, I've done the front fender, sissy bar, got a new seat, 3-inch drop for it, stretch bag, stretch fender. I've done all that, so it's ready to go. Right now it's just kind of Frankenstein together, and 4 different colors at least. But that was the last step, was paint, and I ordered the paint a while back too. I've just been waiting to have time to get to it, so yeah, gonna get started on that. So you can always count on Harley to have the stupidest designs ever. On any other bike, you would just have these 4 holding it right here. And then of course it makes sense to have this support in the back. Not on most bikes, but necessary, I get it, especially running this extension. But the bolt that's holding me up here, if I can even get it on camera, is right there. It looks like about a T40. So I have to remove the wheel to get the back fender off. Wow. Done with the tear down. I'm about to get started on blocking, but that's going to be it for this video. The paint's been here for a few weeks. It's called Sandbar. It's another Tropical Glitz color. It's like a light tan, light goldish color, and that's going to be it for the paint. I'm not going to go crazy with it, do a whole bunch of airbrush work. I am going to put the bar and shield. I'm going to metallic black the inner fairing and like the center dash piece and maybe a few other things. I'm going to do like a metallic black paint on them. But most of the stuff along the engine or whatever is going to go satin black. Basically, this bike's going to just be black and gold is kind of what's happening. So, yeah, plenty of videos to come on it, and I appreciate y'all watching.